Hi, if you're new here, my name is Heather. I'm a 41-year-old bartender from a small town in Ontario, Canada. I'm also a single mom, and my son's 15. Now, he has a problem with sleeping through his alarm. So I went to the thrift store and got him something pretty cool to help him, wake up. So come with me. Shh. How cool is that? Look at, you can set the time and then set the alarm. And then you can make sure it's set by that. And it plugs right into the wall. My son said that it was one of the coolest things he's ever seen.